Assalamualaikum, hello everyone. Today we'll be presenting our topic, which is integrating marketing communication, or simply known as IMC. Before we begin, imagine seeing the same brand message on television, social media, websites, and even in stores. This consistency is not a coincidence. It is the result of integrated marketing communication. So, what exactly is IMC? Integrated Marketing Communication is a strategy approach that ensures all marketing communication tools and channels work together in a coordinated and consistent manner to deliver one unified message. In simple words, IMC means that a company speaks with one voice regardless of where customers interact with the brand. Now let's move to the first section of our poster. The first objective of IMC is to deliver consistent message across all communication channels. Secondly, IMC aims to maximize the impact of marketing efforts. When all promotional activities support each other, the message becomes stronger. Thirdly, it helps businesses build a strong brand image and increase brand awareness. Another objective is to improve customers' engagement and loyalty by creating meaningful relationships with customers. Finally, IMC helps companies increase the return on their marketing investment because resources are used more efficiently. Now, let, let us look at the key principle of IMC. The first principle is consistency. This means maintaining the same core message, tone, and visual identity across all channels. The second principle is integration. All communication activities should be alike and connected instead of working separately. The third principle is being customer-centric. Companies should focus on customer needs, experiences, and behavior. The fourth principle is synergy. Different channels work together to create a greater impact than using only one channel. Lastly, there is value creation. Lastly, there is value creation. Businesses should provide relevant and valuable information to customers. This principle guides organization in building effective communication strategy. Now let's look at the tools used in IMC. IMC uses various communication tools. These include advertising, sales promotion, public relations, personal selling, direct marketing, digital marketing, social media, events and sponsorships, packaging and point of sale. Although these tools are different, they all work together to deliver one clear and consistent message to customers. I will now pass the presentation to my partner who will continue with the IMC process, benefit, challenges, and an example of IMC in practice.
Next, I will explain the IMC process. There are 4 steps in this process. The first step is analyze. Companies study the market, understand their target audience, and identify their business objectives. The second step is plan. Business develop the IMC strategy and determine the core message they want to communicate. The third step is implement. At this stage, companies execute their integrated marketing programs using different communication channels. The final step is evaluate. Businesses measure the results and make improvement to achieve better outcomes in future campaigns. One of the best examples of successful IMC is Nike. Nike consistently communicates messages of determination, performance, and inspiration through its famous slogan, "Just Do It." This message appears across many channels, including television advertisement, social media platforms, the Nike website, in-store experiences, sponsorships involving athletes, and sporting events. Because the message is consistent everywhere, customers easily recognize and remember the Nike brand. This shows how a unified message can strengthen brand identity and create powerful customer experiences. There are many benefits of implementing IMC. Firstly, it creates stronger brand recognition and recall. Secondly, customers enjoy a more consistent experience when interacting with the brand. Thirdly, IMC helps build higher customer trust and loyalty. It also allows businesses to use their marketing budget more effectively. Another benefit is better coordination among departments, ensuring everyone works towards the same objective. Finally, IMC gives businesses a competitive advantage in the marketplace. However, implementing IMC also comes with challenges. One challenge is achieving high coordination among different departments. Another challenge is maintaining consistent messages across many channels. Businesses also need to adapt to changing technologies and customer preference. In addition, measuring the effectiveness of IMC can be difficult. Lastly, successful IMC requires skilled employees and careful planning. To conclude, integrated marketing communication is essential for businesses operating in today's competitive environment. By ensuring consistency across all communication channels, companies can build stronger brands, develop meaningful relationships with customers, and achieve their marketing objectives more effectively. As stated in our poster, "One brand, one message everywhere." This phrase perfectly summarizes the main idea of integrated marketing communication. Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope this video has helped you understand the importance of IMC and how it contributes to business success.